Okay guys, another vlog. I mean vlog. And I'm up today. Watch this. I know it's so snowy outside. Let's go and take a little peek. Okay guys, ready? Wow, look at it. Oh, wow, look at it. It's awesome outside. You ready to go? I think I should. Look at the skies. It looks so beautiful when you look at it. Look. Oh. Okay, let's go. Yeah. What made in my mouth? Okay, this is the awesome snows. Let's go in the back. I'm gonna look for my room. Look at my room. It's awesome. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Kitty? Kitty's here. Oh, kitty. So guys, I think this is awesome. I'm gonna keep you guys safe. Whoa. Oh god, it's getting snow over me. Oh, my food. Okay, we're getting under here. Oh. New. Sometimes you're annoying. Wow, the front looks just amazing, especially the sky. The sky is just wow. Can't believe it. I didn't know it was going to snow today. They said it was going to rain, but instead, it snows. Here's the inside. Sorry I haven't give you a house tour yet. Wow. I'm trying to get a bunch of rain. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. You can't roll. Wow. No! 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 Can't get any snow on you guys, or you guys are gonna get hurt. Okay, I'm gonna keep you safe for once. Whoa! Oh my god, it's so amazing out here. I don't care if I get on the back of this case, but the front is bad. Whoa! Oh, the car! Oh, you're an amazing car. We can see little footprints. Get you safe. Wow. I need to go back. Whew. Let's see. Wow. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys. Going back. So we have a little click it on, and so you don't get on my hair. Do this. Then protect you guys by doing this. Let's go. Wow, looks insane. Wow. Snowing. It's snowing, and I just saw like a freaking snowball go. Wow. Our neighbors are weird. I don't like them. Over here, because I'm at my grandma's house. Wow. Wow. This is just amazing. Okay. Take you guys for a minute. Now, let's go. Sorry guys, I have to do this. I don't want my tablet wet. Oh god, it's stinging through the sidewalk already. Oh god. No! Retreat! 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 I need to retreat a lot. Right here. Wow. Now I'm gonna do to you guys the ice bucket challenge. See if I can get a bunch of snow on you. Okay. So, snowball fight. We're gonna have a snowball fight. That's what we're gonna do. Snowball. Okay, it's probably gonna hurt you guys. Well, it hurt my tablet, but not you. Oh god. Dang, this is hard. This is really hard. Look. Did I hit that really hard? Wow. I get to get as much as I can. Here's a log sound so cool, and I can't take forever. Yes, really can't. Okay, holding the snow might hurt. Okay, let's see if this works. Like it. Wait, okay. Watch this. We'll pick you guys up. That's amazing. Give this a second, guys. Biggest snowball ever is being created right now. Yes. Creation. I feel like I'm in Spore. I'm creating a creature. Cause there's no creature. It's only my prized possession. I'm Santa. Okay, let's do this. Okay. You see this wall? Oh god, this is really fun. It's one of the snowballs I'm making. Yes. Turn it so big. Yes. I'm gonna get frostbite soon. Okay. Just a little snowball. It's gonna break right in front of your eyes. Oh god, it's amazing. Might need to clean you guys off. Wow, I'm just hurting my tablet right now. My tablet's gonna show it out soon. Wow. Let's do this again. Another big snowball. Yeah. Well, how much time do we have left? We have 4 minutes. Think we make it? Think we make it, guys? For 14 minutes? Okay, guys, it's gonna hurt. Well, for my phone, but I mean, wow, this is amazing out here. So I hope you like this little play video. Yeah, it's pretty fun. So, I'll probably, maybe, wait just a second. So, this is how we're gonna end the video. You ready? That one's terrible. Wait.